Pi Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome again to another episode of our learning. I am Mr. Salam, the mathematics tutor. Today we're going to be learning about changing decimals in base 10 to other bases. In our last class, we learned how to change decimal numbers from other bases to base 10. Now today we're going to learn the vice versa. So the topic would be changing decimals in base 10 to other bases. So let's take a look at one or two examples. Example 1. Now, the first example is this. We want to change 12.625 base 10 to base 2 to base 2. So how do we change this? Now, the first thing we are going to do is change the whole part first. So let's have the solution. So change this 12 to base 2 first. So change 1 to base 10 to base 2. So how do we change this to base 2? So we draw our line as usual. So we have 12, then we keep dividing by 2 because we are changing to base 2. 12 divided by 2 will give you 6, and the remainder is 0. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3, and the remainder is also 0. 3 divided by 2 will give you 1. We have a remainder of 1. And finally, 1 divided by 2 will be 0, and we have a remainder of 1. So you take your digits from the bottom to the top, and that will give you. So we have 1100 base 2. Now let's change the decimal part, which is 0.625. Now, because we are changing to base 2, we only multiplied the decimal part to by 2. So let's get started. We have 0.625, then multiply by 2. Don't forget, we are only multiplying the decimal part. So let me reduce this. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 5 will give you 10. We write 0, put 1 here. Then 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4 times 1, that will be 5. 2 multiplied by 6 will give you 2. So we have a remainder of 1. So you put your 1 here. So don't forget to put your point. Again, let's multiply by 2 until we arrive at 0, 0 at the decimal part. So I'm multiplying by 2 again. So just the decimal part. 2 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. 2 multiplied by 5 will give you 10. You write 0 and put 1 here. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. We don't have any remainder here, so that will be 0. That's 0. Let's multiply by 2 again. Two multiplied by 0 will be 0. 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0. And 2 multiplied by 5 will be 10. So you write 0 and put 1 here. So put 1 here. Your point, and 1 will be here. Now, since the decimal part, the digits are now 0, so we're going to stop here. Now, in the whole part, we took our numbers from the bottom to the top. So, but in this case, we'll take our number from the top to the bottom, like this. So, and this will give you 0, 1, 0, 1. So, which is the same thing as 1, 0, 1. So that is it, base 2. Now, combining this and this is the whole part. So we now have, therefore, 12.625 base 10 will give us 1100 point, then this 101 base 2. So it's as easy as that. In our next video, we're going to look at the second part of the same topic. That is example 2. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye.